In this video, we're taking a look at the announcement layer in ProPresenter. This feature lets you run a second presentation at the same time as your main presentation. It's helpful in situations where you want different screens to show different things. For example, showing an announcement loop in the lobby while your main service presentation runs in the auditorium. And the best part is you can manage all of it from the same computer. Setting up a presentation to use the announcement layer is easy. In the presentation header, you'll see an icon that looks like a small target. This allows you to choose the target destination of a presentation. When you click that icon, you'll see a few options. By default, every presentation is set to the normal presentation layer. By choosing announcements, this tells ProPresenter to send that presentation to the announcement layer instead. When this is active, the icon turns green, so you always know when a presentation is set to announcements. You will also see this green icon when adding presentations to a playlist, so seeing where a presentation will show is easy to find at a glance. Once you've marked your presentation for the announcement layer, you'll need to decide which screen it should appear on. To do that, open the Screens menu and select Edit Looks. Or you can open this window at any time using the keyboard shortcut Command! On a Mac or Ctrl! On Windows. The Looks window will appear showing all your available screens and the layers that are active for each screen in a separate audience look. Any layer with a check mark next to it will be visible on that screen. Just make sure the announcement layer is checked on the screen where you want your announcement loop or content to play. You'll also want to uncheck any other layers unless you intentionally want those items to show as well. The layers stack, so leaving other layers on might bring in your main presentation when you don't want it. Now you're ready to run an announcement loop and your main presentation at the same time. To keep your announcement presentation running on its own, you can enable Slideshow by selecting the Slideshow option in the presentation header and setting the time you want each slide to show. This makes the presentation automatically cycle, which is perfect for lobby screens or informational displays. Once your announcement presentation is looping, you will see the announcement layer icon next to your preview window light up red. Now you can switch to any other presentation that's using the regular presentation layer. This will update the main audience screen without interrupting anything happening on the announcement layer. And if you ever need to clear just the announcement content, click the red megaphone icon in the preview area to clear that layer only. The announcement layer is a helpful tool for sending the right content to the right screens without adding complexity to your workflow. With just a few steps, you can keep your lobby, hallway, or overflow room updated with its own visuals, while your main presentation continues running smoothly. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments or contact our support team at support.renewedvision.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.